So in this particular video, we'll be discussing about the syllabus, a detailed syllabus, what all things to study, where to give the more focus upon so that you can crack your desired role, because TCS is hiring from its TCS NQT, that is free TCS NQT for 2025 batch. And I have discussed all the eligibility criteria, everything, application process in the previous video. You can go on that particular video and you can see all the things there. Other than that, in this particular video, we'll be discussing about the syllabus, what to study, and there it is hiring for three main roles. That is one is Ninja, that is about 3.5 LPA. Next is digital, that is 7 LPA, and next is prime, that is the highest package that TCS is giving for a fresher, that is 11 LPA, more than 11 point I think 3 or 4 it is they are giving. So it is a great opportunity for you guys to get into a company like TCS, and definitely it has great work culture, everything is good. Like you can start with the things, and if you are working in a good role of software engineer or IT, so definitely that will the growth will be there. And in this kind of MNCs you get different kind of exposure, because many people are there around you who are great experience working in a different global companies they have worked, and they have came here and like you work with them. So let's start with the process, and I'll be telling you the details. That is first thing, as you can see on my screen, that is TCS NQT will be conducted in TCS Ion centers. When you apply for it, then the application, after the application process is done, you get the admit card, everything is done. Then the TCS NQT, you have to go to the centers. It is not an online exam. You have to go to the centers, then only you can get the exam done. Like you can give the exams, you can clear the exams. That is the one option. Next thing is TCS NQT is an integrated test consisting of two main sections, that is foundation section and advanced section. There will be two types of sections, and if you clear the foundation text section with a good number of like what we say good score, you will be getting in like interview process. You will be selected for the interview process of Ninja role, the like where the package is 3.5, and you can upgrade yourself in 1 year, or if you perform good in Ninja, you can be upgraded to a digital role also. That is also an option. Other than that, while we, there are two main sections, that advanced section is mandatory. It is properly given, like previously they didn't mention very explicitly that कोडिंग सेक्शन इज नॉट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बट अभी वो लोग बहुत ही अच्छे से मेंशन करते हैं दैट इज एडवांस सेक्शन इज ओनली फॉर प्राइम एंड डिजिटल. इफ यू आर एस्पायरिंग टू गेट इनटू प्राइम और like digital role, then this section is very important, that is advanced section, and definitely you can get into this. Then based on a test performance, candidate will qualify. It is not like that a separate exam will be there for Ninja, separate exam will be there for digital, separate exam will be there for prime. No, it is not like that. Only one exam will be conducted on the base of your performance, on the base of what the score you got, on the base of that thing, then you will be getting the particular role interviews, and the interview process will be also different. It depends on different things. So firstly we'll be covering the test pattern, that is the mandatory part, because that is the first step to get into this. And application process, if you not got apply for Drive, go see my video, I have told everything. Please go and follow those. If you found any doubt, just comment on that video, I'll be definitely helping you. Other than that, this is a main test pattern. That is first section will be the foundation section, where aptitude test will be done, like and both the section will be will be conducted on the same day, and you have to give everything in the same center only. So it is not like that. The first you have to clear the give the foundation set text, after that only you can give the advanced section. No, it is not like that. Both tests will be conducted at one time only, at one center only, same day. Okay, so first will be you will be getting like 75 minutes to do this, like 1 hour 15 minutes you will be getting. And the numerical ability, the first section will be your numerical ability, where 25 minutes will be given. Verbal ability, 25 questions, 25 minutes will be given, and reasoning ability, 25 minutes will be given to clear off this thing. Next 115 minutes will be there, like 90 minutes, and then again 25 minutes, 90 plus 25 minutes will be there. That will be about I think 90 minutes will be 1 hour, and then like lump sum 2 hours you will be given for the advanced section. And in the advanced section you will be getting options like a syllabus of advanced quantitative, advanced quants, reasoning ability will be there, advanced reasoning ability, and coding round will be there. So like 190 total duration will be 190 minutes, and you have to sit on the service center and prepare well. So first thing, like let's go to the details of these things, like what all things you have to study. So already I have made a proper guide where you can go and study all these things. I'll be giving the link in the description, you can go there and study. So in this particular video will be I have also added all the materials also. I'll not be going to the materials right now. I'll be going through the questions, what all type of questions will be there, and what all syllabus you have to focus on. So basically, if you are targeting for a Ninja role, that you want a job, you want to get into IT, and want to start your career. So basically basically this will be of 3.5 LPA, and basically only 3 section is important for you. That is, if you are targeting ninja role for TCS, then 3 sections are important. That is numerical ability, verbal ability, and reasoning ability. So basically, as I told, that 25 minutes will be given. It is a medium level difficulty will be there. 20 questions will be there in 25 minutes. You have to solve it. What are topics will be covered? That will be arithmetic, then numerical number system will be there, normal algebra, probability, permutation, combinations will be there, then profit loss, speed and time, SI, simple interest, compound interest questions will be there. So these all things you have to, like data, DI questions will also be there. That is, if you are going for a numerical ability preparation, go for this. Then verbal ability, that will be for the English test. Basically in this, reading comprehensions will be there, then grammar will be there, sentence corrections, synonyms, antonyms, fill in the blanks will be there. In this also 25 questions will be there, means per minute you have to solve one question. 25 minutes, 25 question. Don't waste your time too much on the reading comprehension. Be very crisp, be very crystal clear, and sit very calmly and read everything at once. Don't read again and again. Firstly, you understand what the paragraph is saying, what the comprehension is saying, so that you can answer all the questions related to that. Because that will be like, there will be like 3 questions, 4 questions related to one particular comprehension. If you don't understand that, then 3 to 4 questions you will not be able to solve, and there only rejection problems comes. There only you will not able to clear those exams. That will be a problem. Okay. Next will be the reasoning section. Reasoning ability will be like 20 minutes will be given, and 25 questions will be there. It will be high to medium, and in this particular series completion will be there, data sufficiency question will be there, coding decoding questions will be there. And I'll suggest you, when you are going for the aptitude, firstly sit wherever you are sitting. You will be having a pen, you will be having a paper. The exam centers also give these things, all the facility of exam, these all things are given, and on the paper write properly ABCD, so that you, the coding decoding question, when it comes to you, you are not writing at that time and wasting your time. Don't do that. Okay, so that is very important. Then puzzles, syllogisms question will be there. Then that is also called slogs. Then blood relation question, direction question will be there. So if you have you are good at these 3 sections, you can go for a you can be selected for an interview of ninja role. Then if you want to go for a prime or digital role, then next 2 sections are very, very important. That is, firstly advanced quants and reasoning ability. In this, 15 questions will be there, 25 minutes will be given, and high difficulty questions will be there. Practice very well. And then data sufficiency, logarithm questions will be there, permutation, combination question will be there. Those all things will be given at that time only. And after this, you have to clear off your advanced coding round. 3 questions will be there, and you will be given 1.5 hours for that to clear those things. And don't waste your time in the advanced quant section too much, so that you cannot attempt this one, that is advanced coding section. Okay, and every section, like, you have to complete, then only you can move to that section. Many times it happens they shuffle their like pattern. It depends on that. So don't be very dependent that I have to do at last. Don't do those things. That can be a problem. Okay. Then basically 90 minutes will be then, and here select one language only, like you start your things and all. Python is also a good language, C++, Java, whatever you are comfortable with, start with these things. And in this, basically most of the times the question are of 3 types. That is, one will be easy normal question, next will be a medium question, and maybe if your luck is not good, you can get all the 3 medium question or 2 high complexity question. That can also be there. So be prepared, try to solve all the types, because it is a like different set of papers are there, and it is not sure that if you are giving if you have been given a question, maybe your person who is sitting beside you, that he's also getting the same question. No, it is not like that. It is all shuffled. It is all miss and match things are there. So don't depend on anyone, just data structures and all. You just prepare very well, then only you can clear off these things. So for preparation part, we'll be going in the next video, and I'll be covering in very detail, like what all things, where to study, what all things to study, and it is a very short thing that I have given, and definitely it will help you to clear off your exams. So this was all about a video of the syllabus of the TCS NQT, and this is applied to TCS NQT different. If you are going for the paid one also TCS NQT, then also it is eligible. And if you are going for this role, that is TCS NQT hiring, that is this one that you are going for, then also it is eligible. Like, you can just prepare from it, and it will definitely help you. Thank you so much for watching particular video. In this particular channel, we post so many videos on interviews, on data engineering, on data analytics, on different roles, that because I am a data engineer by profession, I am certified data engineer, I keep sharing my experiences on all, and definitely that will help you. Other than that, Instagram is there, where we like connect with about 200k people, 2 lakh people are there also, and we talk more about like in very detail. And I also like launch my boot camps and all, and I teach people. Definitely that will also help you. I mentor people on my experience, definitely those people are also getting very much advantage. So you can join me there also. Other than that, I have a blog channel where if you want to connect me on my any personal life, you want to see my personal life, if you want to see what I do on weekends, what I do other than technical stuff, definitely you can connect me there. Thank you so much for watching this particular video. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram, bye bye.